Similarly as we did when adding live data to load all tasks in main activity, we will need to modify our task DAO and grab the object type returned by the load task by ID in a live data object. In our add task activity, we can see a compile error as a consequence of having changed the return type of load task by ID. We can fix it by wrapping it in a live data object. As our live data will run by default out of the main thread, we can extract it and remove the executor. Now we can call the observe method using our activity as lifecycle owner and moving our logic to update the UI on the onChange method of the observer. Now we don't need the call to run on UI thread, and we can use the task entry variable to populate the UI. In this case, we do not want to receive updates, so we will need to remove the observer from our live data object. Finally, let's add some login as we did in main activity. If we run our app and try to edit one of our tasks, we can see the same behavior that we had in main activity. If we click on one of our tasks, then press the home button and come again to our app, we can see that we are not actively querying the database again.